So we're going to be taking a look at just a couple other ways that you could print this out and different settings that you can change. So the first thing that they would like us to do is get rid of the columns to repeat. And then what we're going to do is basically scale this to fit on one page. So for width, instead of automatic, we're going to say one page. And you'll notice that our automatic page break is now gone. And in order to get this on one page, instead of printing at 100%, it's now going to print at 81%. So if you'd like to see how that looks, you just go to File and Print. Okay, and this is how it would look. It is making everything smaller to get it onto one page. We go back to our worksheet, and they would like us to adjust our margins again. And for the top, they want 3.5. And then for the left and the right, they want them smaller. And change it to 0.3. And we'll click OK. And now if you check scale, because we made those margins smaller, it can actually increase the size of the text. So instead of being 81%, now it is 88%. So our text is a little bit bigger. Now, even though this is currently on one page, they would like us to specify that we want row titles to display on multiple pages. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense because it's on one page, but we'll go ahead and do this. If for some reason you were missing your row headings, just like we said the cells in the column that we wanted to repeat on multiple pages, we can indicate rows. Now let's go into print preview because we did adjust the top margin, if you remember. And so that did force this on multiple pages. And you can see the second page does not have the row headings. So what we're going to do is put those row headings in, and they are in row 3. So we want A3 through N3. And we'll go ahead and go into print preview just so you can see it. So this page is fine. It was the second page that had issues. And now, because we specified those row headings, you can actually see them. Okay, even though we forced this situation. We're going to click on back. And let's see, of course, they would like us to go back to our default margins. And so we're going to go to margins and hit normal. That gives us our default margins. And at this point, we no longer need those row headings. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of that. And we're also going to get rid of the force to one page. So we're back with our manual page break where we were before. And at this point, we're going to save our changes.